Okay.
Fire!
Whoa.
Hello, freedom lovers. 11 Chuck here. Are you in search for a good low price drill press? Maybe looking to do an 80% build like myself? Today I'm going to be unboxing and going over the features of a Wen 8-inch drill press model 4208. Buckle up. Let's kick this pig. Alright. Upon first reveal, we have cardboard. Looks like it comes with your standard set of instructions. Hopefully they're in English. Mystery box number 1. This would appear to be the base of the drill press. Looks like the handle for the press. Tube that rides up and down on. Maybe run out of room on the table. There she is. Okay, that's the drill press pad. That's what you'll be putting your material on, drilling into it. I believe that's everything. So, get rid of the box. A little styrofoam baked onto the cord, but that shouldn't be too hard to clean off. Alright, let's see what's in this box. Some nuts and bolts. Perhaps Chuck, P-Chuck, and Chuck itself. I thought there might be a bag of nuts and or bolts. Well, when in doubt, dig the destructions out of the garbage and look it over. Here we go. Okay, it did show on the next page some hex nuts and bolts, and I looked through the rest of the packages and did find the ones I'll need to mount the base. So, we'll mount the base.
That was easy.
Tighten these bad boys up. Should have brought a ratchet, I guess. It says, lower this bad boy on. This also has a degree indicator on it, so you can tilt it this way or that way. You know exactly what angle you're at. I do notice though that it just seems to be a label, which right now, well, everything's white, easy to see. That can get covered up real easy with grease and dust and whatnot, and also the sticker could peel off, and there's no permanent markings on the degree indicator to line up with the cylinder indicator. But for $74, not too bad. Hey. Now we put this bad boy on. This is surprisingly light for what you might expect. I'm running out of room. The Allen wrenches on the side. Well, I'm running out of room for the drill press, so I'm going to relocate to someplace with a little more space. Bam! We're in our new spot. Got a little more room. One thing I did on the move to this location is I had to take this back off, make it a little more manageable to carry. And I was noticing the instructions, I have to pound the chuck on there, and I thought it'd be a lot easier to pound it on there when it's laying on its side like that. I don't want to tip it up on its back because this lid here might crack, and I don't want it on the stand because I'm trying to hammer up under the base plate there. So I'm going to lay it on its side, give it a few taps. Also, you're supposed to clean this off with a non-petroleum based cleaner. I already did that, and so now I'm going to put this off to the side and hammer that on there. Seems pretty sturdy. We'll call that good. Now we'll mount it back on this. After that, an Allen wrench. Okay, now once you have that back on with the chuck installed, I'm going to tighten up these Allen wrenches. Now we're going to put these in. These are what turn the knob to lower the chuck into whatever media you're drilling into. Around. Better what I'm doing. Now you might be able to see better. Pretty simple. There's no nut to secure in the back, or just screw straight in. And it's got cutouts so you can get a wrench on it, but right now I don't think that's necessary. Now, when I turn this, you'll see the chuck's being lowered. And on the other side, there's a gauge, and I'll show that in a second. But this thing here, it's in there somehow, so you don't lose it if you remember to put it back there. Okay. Here's the gauge. So as you're turning it down, you can go however you need to go. If you only want to go an inch deep, just go down an inch. But of course, that's if you're starting a half inch above your media, you need to go down an inch and a half. So it's important to keep an eye on that if you're not drilling all the way through something. If you're drilling all the way through something, it's not going to matter. Like the switch here, it's one of those. You just, if something goes wrong, bam, you just hit it like that and it'll stop. So, let's turn this back, plug this in and see if it works. What do you know? It works. It's going at a very high rate of speed, and this lid I referenced earlier is where you can adjust the speed, and it's got a guide right in the lid of how to adjust the belt for whatever RPM you want, so that's pretty handy. And now I'm ready to start drilling. Thanks for watching.